Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to tell you my top altcoins which I think will gain maximum in 2021. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now because in this video I will do technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis of these coins, and definitely I will tell you why these coin will gain maximum in 2021 and why I am so bullish on these coins. So please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. My first pick is Cardano. I am very bullish on Cardano, and I think Cardano should have to gain maximum in this year because there are many fundamental newses of Cardano available. And here you can see Cardano is currently at $1.41 and it increased 11% in just 24 hours. Current track of Cardano is 3 and market cap of Cardano is 4.4 billion. And these are some statistics. You can read these statistics, and in 1 year it gave 5,371% gain to its holders. All-time high of Cardano was at February 27, 2021 and the price was $1.48, and all-time low of the Cardano was on March 13, 2020 and the price was $0.01925. And it is available on these exchanges, Binance, HBTC and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy these coins, these altcoins which I am going to tell you in this video from Binance, then you can click on this video's description and where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's dive into the content and why I think ADA has very bright future in 2021. First of all, let me show you some fundamental newses of Cardano and some events of Cardano. These are events. All events are in 2021. These are 5 events. 22,000 March 2021 Coinel listing and Coinbase listing is at 18 March, and ADA Pay on Shelley mainnet is on or before 31 March, and Blockchain Africa, it is very important, 18 March, and decentralized block generation you can say before 31 or at 31 March. These are events, and these are 5 major events that I think, and more than 10 major partnership of Cardano are in the pipeline. So that's why I think Cardano has very bullish future in this year, and Cardano should have to hit my targets that I am going to tell you definitely in this video. Let's dive into the Cardano chart. This is the Cardano chart, and Cardano is currently at $1.41, and here you can see Cardano is facing resistance is at $1.49 and currently it is at $1.41. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for the Cardano right now. I am very bullish in Cardano because of these reasons, some fundamental news as well as technical reasons, technical analysis and technical reasons too. And let me please show you. This is the bull flag. Once Cardano break this bull flag, then definitely it have to hit this zone. This is our immediate short-term target for the Cardano right now. 1.79, you can say $1.80 is our target for the Cardano, and it is, I think it is very achievable, and maybe Cardano will hit this target within 1 week, within 2 days, within this day too, because Cardano is going to list on Coinbase today, and that is why market of the Cardano is very bullish right now. And let me please show you my long duration targets for the Cardano right now, and I think Cardano should have to hit these targets. Friends, please keep supporting and please thumbs up the like button right now. According to the fib retracement tool, 300% is very much, I am sure that Cardano should have to hit this within 3 months, within 4 months, or within 6 months. 300% gain is definitely Cardano is going to hit $6 in very near future, and maybe $10 in this year. I think this is very realistic target. My long-term target for the Cardano for this year is $9 to $10. I think Cardano should have to hit these levels within 2021 in this year, and should have to give you 500% 500 to 600% profit within this year. This is my technical analysis, and this is my prediction that Cardano should have to hit these targets, I think. My next coin, let me please show you. My second coin is HBAR. I am very bullish on HBAR because this coin has very bright future and having main events throughout this year. That is why I think this coin will definitely give you profit. But let me please tell you something which is very important. I am not a financial advisor. And I will not responsible any of your losses. Do your own research before investing in any coins because cryptocurrency is very risky, and this video is just for informational purpose only, and you have to do your own research. HBAR is currently at $0.35 and it is price increase is 9.9% in 24 hours. Market cap of this is 2.7 billion, and let me please show you some statistic. In 1 year it gives 852% to its holders, and all-time high of this token was $0.45, and it was on March 2021 and March 15 2021, and all-time low of this token was on January 2020, and the price was 0.0098611, and it is available on these exchanges, Binance, Upbit, and some major exchanges. Let's dive into some fundamental news of this token. These are events. Here you can see 8 major events are coming in 2021 in this year. Testnet maintenance 18 March 2021, Rosta API integration before or on 31 March, and token service, HCS based NTF demo, HCS scaling, HTS demo, community SDS, network automation. These are 8 major events. You can do your own research before investing in this token, but I think this token has a bright future, and let's dive into the chart of this token. Friends, please thumbs up the like button right now. This is the HBAR chart, and HBAR was rejected from that zone, and price was $0.45, and after that price is now $0.35. What is the next target for the HBAR right now? I think it should have to hit this zone very near in within 2 or 3 days, I think so, and maybe within 2 days. And this is our first target, 0.38, and after breaking this horizontal resistance, which will let me please show you my next target. This is our second target, and let me please tell you my third target. I am very much bullish on this because of fundamental news and because on technical grounds too, and this is our third target. These are immediate short-term targets for the HBAR right now, and let me please show you something which is very interesting and very informational. Here you can see it is creating higher highs. Here you can see higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, and higher highs, and next higher high is like this. and definitely it will create a new all-time high, right, and will break $0.45 price level. And let me please show you my next let me please tell you my long duration targets for this token. Friends, please thumbs up the like button right now, and let me please tell you the targets according to the fib retracement tool. What are the targets? Friends, it should have to hit $1.88, or you can say $1.90. Definitely it will have to hit within 2 or 3 months, or within 6 months, I think so, and should have to give you 400% profit. And my target for the H bar in 2021, let me please show you. And I think it have to hit this. And this is the realistic target. I think in this bull run it should have to hit $4. I am very sure that it have to hit this, because major events are in pipeline, and it should have to give you 1000% gain within 2021. I think this is very realistic target. My next coin is Koti. I am very bullish on Koti just because of some fundamental news and the team behind the project, and the project is very good. And let me please show you. Koti is currently at $0.40, and its price increases 6.7% in 24 hours. And current rank of Koti is 173, and market cap of Koti is 269 million, and circulating supply of the Koti is 669 million, and maximum supply of Koti is 2 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. In 1 year, Koti gives 3,142% gain to its holder. Koti return on investment is 519%, very good return. And all-time high of Koti was $0.47, and it was on March 8, 2021 in this year. And all-time low of the Koti was on November 7, 2019, and the price was 0.0055. And Koti is available on these exchanges: Binance, BBC, and Uniswap version V2, and some other exchanges. And let's dive into the fundamental news. These are main events here. You can see more than 12 events are in pipeline. That's why I am super bullish on Koti. AdaPay on Shelley mainnet, debit card, bank account, exchange mainnet, CVI mainnet launch, and Ultra 2.0 exchange license, added liquidity ledger. And these are events Koti have in this month of March. 8 events. 8 events are in pipeline in this month of March. And in April, node capacity increase. In 13 June, integration with Celsius, and 30 June Paywise, and on 30 June Koti Pay iOS app launch. And these are main events. I think the Koti will be very profitable in near future. And let's dive into the chart, and let's do some technical analysis of Koti. Koti is currently is at $0.49 and is at $0.39 and it was rejected from $0.49 and the price is currently is at $0.40, you can say. What is the next target? I think the next target of the Koti is that zone, which is $0.49 or you can say $0.50. This is turning as a resistance for the Koti right now, and once it breaks this horizontal resistance, then it should have to hit this target. Let me please show you my first target. This is my first target of the Koti, and let me please show you my second target. Koti should have to hit this target within, I think these are immediate short-term targets, maybe within 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, and within days I think it have to hit these targets. 0.68 and 0.53, these are the targets that I think very much achievable within days, and these are immediate short-term target for the Koti right now. And let me tell you the future targets, long duration target. I think Koti should have to hit $2 and should have to give you 400% in this bull run. And my target for the Koti is it will take time, but I think it will definitely hit $3. I think this is very realistic target, and within 2021 I think it should have to hit $3. This is the target for the Koti right now, and it should have to give you 600% gain. My next coin is BNB. I am super bullish on BNB just because of the Binance exchange and the team behind this. I think BNB having very bright future in 2021 and in 2022. BNB coin is currently is at $277 and it increased 8.9% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 4 and market cap of this token is 4.2 billion and circulating supply of this token is 1.5 billion. Sorry, 154 million, sorry. And let me please tell you some price statistics. It gives 2,580% profit to its holders, and all-time high of this token was on February 19, 2021, and the price was 339, and all-time low of this token was was on October 19, 2017, and the price was $0.039, and it is available on these exchanges: Binance, FTX, BBC exchange, and some other important exchanges. Let's dive into some fundamental analysis. BNB has 3 major events. Fifth BNB burn is on or before 30 April, and IDX trading on DOT and BSC, Binance Smart Chain, before 31 March or on 31 March, and this is Binance Smart Chain integration 13th September. This is very important event. These are the events that I think will boost the price of Binance coin, and let's dive into the technical analysis of this coin. This is the Binance 4-hour chart and BNB. BNB is currently is at $276 and it was rejected from $350 in this chart. And let's do some fundamental technical analysis. The first target of the BNB, I think, this is immediate short-term target of this horizontal resistance, which is $298. This is our first target. And let me please tell you our second target. Sorry for that. This is our second target, $360. And what is our third target? Let me please tell you. This is the main trend line, and BNB, I think, is ready to break this zone. Once BNB break this zone, then our target will be this area. And sorry for that. This will be our third target. $402. These are immediate short-term target, I think, which is achievable in some days, I think so. And let me please tell you my long duration target. My long duration target for the Binance coin is $1,000 within this bull run, and my next target is this zone, which is 1400. I think this is very realistic in 2021. I think Binance should have to hit this target, 1000 and 1400. These are two targets, and these are immediate short-term target for the Binance right now. Let's dive into some. Let me please show you my next coin, Polkadot. Polkadot is currently ranked 6, having ranked 6, and currently it is trading at $36.16, and market cap of Polkadot is 3.5 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of Polkadot is 1.2 billion. And circulating supply of Polkadot is 976 million. And in 30 days, it gives 30% profit to its holders. And all-time high of this token was on February 20, 2021, and the price was $42.25. And all-time low of this token was $2.70, and it was on August 20, 2020. And Polkadot is available on these exchanges. And if you want to buy this on Binance exchange, then please click on then please go to in this video description where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Let's dive into the fundamental news and events. These are main events of Polkadot. Polkadot Definance and IDEX trading on DOT, and these are two main events. And the third event is that DOT migration and DOT testnet migration. These are main events, and this is also token minting. And you can search and before investing, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your loss. Let's dive into the technical chart. Polkadot is currently at $36, and It was rejected from $42 and price is now $36. Let me please tell you my first target. First target is that horizontal resistance, which is at $40. This is immediate short-term target for the Polkadot right now. And let me please tell you my second target. This is our second target for the Polkadot, and these are immediate short-term targets. It can be hit. Polkadot can be hit this target within days. Let me please tell you my third target. These are three targets for the Polkadot right now. These are immediate short-term targets, and let me please tell you my long duration target of 1 year and target of 2021. I think $200 is very fair target, and I think it should have to hit this zone and should have to hit $200, and this is our target. In 2021, it can give you 400 to 500% profit within 2021, and this is very realistic target. Maybe it will go higher, but I think this is very realistic target. My next coin is VeChain. VeChain is currently at $0.08 and it increased 10.8% in 24 hours. Rank of this currency is 19 and market cap of this currency is 5.3 billion, and circulating supply of this token is 6.4 billion, sorry. And it in 1 year it gives 3,000% gain to its holder. Rate of return on investment is 1,466%, very good return. And all-time high of this token was on 15 March 2021 and the price was 0.08. All-time low of this token was 0.0019 and the price was 0.0019 and it was on March 13. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, BBC Exchange, Ox, and Digifinix, and some other important exchanges. Let's do some fundamental analysis. These are two events. Before 30 June or around 30 June, Sunrise 2 and connects to Beta and integration with SafePal. These are two events, I think. New network support SafePal. And let's dive into the technical analysis. It is currently trading at 0.081 and it is very bullish right now. And our first target, let me please show you. I think it is very bullish, and this is our first target, immediate short-term target. One thing you can see that it is creating higher highs, and no, it will create like this. And sorry for that. Let me please tell you my long duration target of 2021. 0.32. I think it is very achievable in this bull run, and within 3 to 4 months or within 6 months, I think, and it have to give you 300% gain. And let me please tell you my long duration target. I think it can hit $1 in 2021, and this is my target, and I think it have to hit this target and will have to give you 1100% profit. This is very realistic target, because in this bull run this is very achievable target. Let's dive into my next coin. Let me please tell you my next coin. My next one is NFT token, ENG. ENG, it is a gaming token, and the video of ENG is available on my Telegram channel, on my YouTube channel, and it is currently and this coin definitely having very bright future in 2021, because this is the year of NFT tokens. It is currently trading at $2.70 and price increases 11.8% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 47. Market cap of this token is 2.5 billion, and trading volume of this token is 1.2 billion. And circulating supply of this token is 934 million. Sorry for that. And in 1 year it gives 5000% gain to its holders. And let me please show you all-time high. All-time high of this token was on March 15, 2021, and the price was $3. And all-time low of this token was on November 12, 2017, and the price was $0.018. And these are exchanges where you can get this token: Binance, DigiFinex, Upbit, and some other exchanges. And if you want to get on Binance exchange, then please click on this video's description. Then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of this token. Let's dive into the fundamental news. Two major events: JumpNet 6 April 2021 and Infinity launch. And it is before 31 December of 2021. These are two major events, and let's dive into the technical chart. ENG was rejected from $3.1 and it is currently trading at $2.6. Let me please tell you my first target. These green lines are the support zone for the ENG, and you can note down these support zones. This is our first target, immediate short-term target. $4.03. This is our first target, and it is here you can see it is creating higher highs, and it is clearly in bull run now. And let me please tell you my next target. These are very realistic target, immediate short-term target for this token. Let me please tell you long duration target for this token, and I think it should have to hit this. This is very realistic target, $12.75, and it have to give you 400% gain. And I think it can hit, this is the minimum target, I think, and this is very realistic target, and I think maybe it will hit $20 within this year. And if we do this, then it have to give you 700% gain. These are very realistic targets, I think, and these are I think these are achievable targets. And let's dive into my next chart. My next coin is Uniswap. Uniswap is currently is at $31.12, and market cap of this token is 16 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. In 30 days, it gives 55% to its holders, and all-time high of this token was $34.7, and it was on March 7, 2021. And all-time low of this token was on September 17, and the price was $1.03. And it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, Uniswap. And let's dive into the technical chart. Uni is currently at $30, and our first target will be this horizontal resistance, which is at $35. $35 is our first target, and let me please show you my next target, which is very achievable. $42.50 is our second target. And let me please show you my long duration target for Uni. I think Uni should have to hit this target, and I am very much sure that Uni have to hit this. 150 is my target, I think, very realistic target. In this bull run, Uni should have to hit this target and should have to hit 150, which is very I think realistic target for the Uni. And let me please show you my next coin, a very good coin and having very bright future, PancakeSwap. And I am very much bullish on this, guys. Pancake is currently at $10.46, and it increased 6.8% in 24 hours. Market cap of this token is 1.4 billion, and current rank of this token is $65, and in 30 days it gives 58% to its holders. And all-time low of this token was on November 3, and the price November 3, 2020, and the price was $0.19. And all-time high of this token was on this year, February 19, 2021, and the price was $20.3. And this is available on these exchanges. And let's dive into the fundamental events. Pancake having two major events. One event is on 27 March, and it is Phoenix listing, and second is very important. It is before or on 30 June, PancakeSwap version 2. This is main event, and that is why I am very bullish on this token. And let me please show you the technical chart. It was rejected from that zone, and the price was $13.87, and now it is currently trading at $10.35. This is the price right now for this token. Our first target will be this horizontal resistance, which is currently at $15. This is our first target, and our second target, let me please show you. Friends, please thumbs up the like button right now for more informational and exclusive content like this. This is our second target, $21, $15 and $21 are our immediate short-term targets. And let me please tell you the long duration targets. I think this is very realistic target, $115. I think it should have to hit this because of fundamental events, because of the hype this token has creating, and because of the team. I think the team behind this is very good, and this is my target, $115. These are three targets: $15, $21, and $115. These are three targets. Let me show you my last coin, which I think will give you maximum gain. But before investing in this token or investing in these tokens which I am showing in this video, please do your own research. This is for informational purpose video, and I will not responsible any of your loss. My last coin and my last pick is 1inch. 1inch is currently is at 97 rank, and price is $4.80, and price increase 4.9% in just 24 hours, and market cap of this token is 717 million. And all-time high of this token was on February 5, 2021, and the price was $6.28. And all-time low of this token was on December 29, and the price was $0.76. And this token is available currently on these exchanges: Binance, HBTC, VCC, Bidex, 1inch liquidity protocol, and 1inch on exchange. And let's dive into the fundamental. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. One event is on 19 March, Indodex listing. And let's dive into the technical chart. One inch is currently at $4.80. And our first target will be this. $6.9 is our first target for the 1 inch right now. And let me please show you the next. And according to this Fib retracement tool, our target will be this. I think 400% and $25 is our target, and it will give you 400% gain in this year. This is very realistic target. Friends, thanks for the watching. Please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now, and please join my Telegram channel for more informative content and regular chart updates and price updates, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching. Take care.